Hello students, today we are going to learn an important chapter, work, power and energy. Let's get started. First, what is work? Work is said to be done when a force is applied on an object and the object moves in the direction of the force. The formula for work is equal to force multiplied by displacement multiplied by cosine of the angle between them. Let's take different cases based on the angle. If the angle is 0 degrees, then cosine of 0 is 1. So maximum positive work is done, like pulling a cart in the same direction. If the angle is 90 degrees, cosine becomes 0. No work is done, like carrying a bag vertically. If the angle is 180 degrees, cosine is -1. So the work done is negative. For example, friction does negative work.
Sir, may I ask a question?
Yes, go ahead.
Is it possible to have zero work even when we are tired?
Excellent question. Yes, for example, if you hold a bag without moving, your muscles may feel tired, but physically, no displacement means no work is done. Now let's define power. Power is the rate at which work is done or energy is transferred. The formula is power equals work divided by time. 1 watt is 1 joule per second. Also remember, 1 kilowatt is 1000 watts and 1 horsepower is 746 watts. What is energy? Energy is the capacity to do work. It comes in many forms: mechanical, chemical, thermal, nuclear, and so on. The SI unit of energy is joule. Let's now learn about the two types of mechanical energy. First, kinetic energy, the energy possessed by a body due to its motion. Formula: kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 into mass into velocity squared. Example, a moving car or a flying bullet. Second, potential energy, the energy due to position. Formula: potential energy is equal to mass into gravity into height. Example, water stored in a dam or a stretched rubber band. Energy is the ability. When you use energy, you do work. Power tells us how quickly the work. So the flow is energy, work, power. All three are scalar quantities.
Sir, one question, please.
Yes, go ahead.
Can energy be destroyed?
Very good. The answer is no. According to the law of conservation of energy, energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can only be transformed from one form to another. For example, in a pendulum, potential energy becomes kinetic energy and vice versa. But total energy remains the same. 1 kilowatt hour is the energy consumed when 1 kilowatt of power is used for 1 hour. Let me explain. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to the power 6 joules. Now let us do some numerical questions. Question 1. A force of 10 newtons moves an object by 5 meters in the direction of the force. What is the work done? Answer: work is equal to force into displacement, which is 10 into 5. So the work done is 50 joules. Question 2. A body of mass, 2 kilograms, moves with speed 3 meters per second. Find the kinetic energy. Answer: kinetic energy equals 1/2 into 2 into 3 squared, which is 9 joules. Question 3. 500 joules of work is done in 10 seconds. Find power. Answer: power is equal to work divided by time, so 500 divided by 10 equals 50 watts. Final question. Convert 2 kilowatt hours into joules. 1 kilowatt hour is 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joules. So 2 kilowatt hours is 7.2 into 10 to the power 6 joules. That brings us to the end of today's class. Keep practicing. Jai Hind.